fuck that horn dog to even know I can't afford you. But my brothers who sleep where they shit at, ho, let me record you. By the Rolex ET, it don't spin, don't know what the mic record do. And my brother keeper, these my sneakers.
Let's see what we got, man. You on? Alrighty.
We missed it right now, folks. As we came in.
You're doing that?
Yeah, hit that hole like 6-7 times. Had to, there was no cars yet. Bro. French friends, these niggas millionaires.
This whole
I was driving through here.
whole live.
We were just driving over there. We were turning around to eat us. I'm gonna bring my boy. Tarzan out here. I'm gonna try to get in the car.
Old school. It's a Hemi. Good shit.
Hey, thank you, man. Hey, I'm gonna hit you up on Instagram.
I forgot what car that was. Ooh, shit. 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 Hey, man. Ooh, man. I got a BRG right now. Damn, they got the line up. Look at the line up. Look at this line up. BMW line up. Shit.
I'll push my car.
Hold on. Houston, them hoes are tiny. Oh yeah, that little Beetle, that shit the truth.
No, not the Beetle.
Shelby look mean. Oh yeah, that Shelby stupid, bro. And that hoe got a whole supercharger in that bitch tripping. And then a Cobra motherfucker.
Show me your eyes. Huh? God. You? God damn it, we're fucked. Unless Richard has some.
What? Guard? You got a guard? Shut up!
Berto?
Shut up! I will. Oh yeah. You got a fresh face.
You got a white shirt on?
Yeah. Everybody ain't normal.
Nobody nothing. Damn, Richard. I know you were.
Y'all ready to walk? Let's do it.
Look at some Lambos and shit.
Let's do it.
What?
Some Lamborghini.
Oh yeah. I need my shit back. ASAP.
But I should have.
But
It's alright. Damn.
it should have been me.
What the fuck is that?
Bro, that little bike right there.
This thing right here. That bitch look fast as hell.
That boy, that.
Damn.
Damn, that hoe.
Hey, that's what your grandma got smashed.
Your great grandma got smashed. They go to Hot Wheel cars. He the old school. That's that damn done from Cars. Lightning McQueen motherfucker. SS. Merrill. And that motherfucker. Come on. What is this? Horse? Tight shit. What is this? What's your alley? Nah, I ain't gonna go there. Oh my god. Hold on. Look at that heavyweight. This is Ooh. Wait, that bitch say Hemi head. Oh shit. Hold on now. Okay. There go the Lambos. That bitch yeah hard. Go around like that. Ducati.
Right here.
Aston Martin. They walked off in the party. Put up in an Aston Martin. Ventador. Beamer. us in person, they be huge, I ain't gonna lie. You,
I gotta see the inside.
it be huge. It white.
God.
It be hard. Look at brake calipers on that hoe. I'm missing Lion Green. Y'all follow him? Hold on. What his name now? Yeah. Okay. That bitch so damn pretty. Now truck.
Oh, yours. That's cool. Oh, check it out.
Straight or left? Let's go.
Hey, look at that parking. You mean right?
Oh,
We already went left.
Yeah, we already came that way. Wait, you want to go this way or straight or left?
Let's go straight and then turn over there and come back.
All right, bet. Something basic. I don't really fuck with the Porsche like that. Yeah, all right. Whatever that is. What is this? Lotus? There it is, another Viper. What is this, a Ferrari? Look like it. Oh, let me see. Gotta walk up on it. Yeah. Stop playing with me. I know my car, boy. Ferrari. Listen, look. Oh, shit. C6. C06. C06. Mind the view. That's how it is. Blue rice. Oh shit. Acura. It's one of my favorites. Ain't gonna lie. Out of all the cars like in the like that I want one of these. Like, that big. It just look. Excuse me. Down. Hold on. It be dirty as fuck. Let me show y'all something. Down truck. That be dirty though. The Lamborghini Cala. Clearing. Okay, cool. Somebody smell like Baccarat. I'm right here. Had to make sure I ain't lose.
He kept walking. You know he don't stop walking.
Where the fuck he at?
I don't know. I lost him. I'm not. Oh, there he is.
And he got on a white shirt. Oh, there he is.
Everybody got on a white shirt over here.
Angel in the cut.
Right now.
We got an
Where the bitches at? We looking for the hoes. Where they at?
Oh, they back.
Man,
They're right there.
There they are.
Texting at 5 in the
Who's not gonna buy pictures of the Lamborghini? Google it for free.
At 5 in the morning? No, he sent it to the owners, dumbass.
Who the fuck I want to buy when I can take my own pictures?
Because they taking them professionally.
Yeah.
They kiss my dick.
I'll give 5 bucks.
I'll get it for free.
My bad, professional photographer.
I'm just saying, hey, this is deja vu.
Yeah, special guest. For what?
What are celebrities? What somebody need to pop out.
Where James Harden? Hey, there.
James Harden. I'd rather have seen
James Harden.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Nah, Jaden Green here, yeah. Or Simone Biles. Where you at? We in your city.
Who's
We
that?
out here. Where you at?
That's crazy.
What do you think is the best car in life? Right here, right now.
Probably that twin turbo Mustang or something.
For real?
It's in turbos.
Oh shit. Radio. Get your ass out of the way. Rain in here. I didn't mean to cut. Hold on. It ain't much.
Robert, and then I came back.
Raymond.
Oh, that nigga.
invites. I need some. I don't know, someone in the chat, so I'll go GTA this time. Hop in now.
Damn.
That's cute. Damn, that whole look.
That's the Cullinan over there. Damn.
Hey, that Royce is hard.
Damn. Hold on, I gotta go over there. Hold on. That bitch clean. Damn, hold on. That bitch big. That motherfucker wild. I'm going. That motherfucker hard. God, man. Yeah, fair. The basketball court inside. That bitch up clean, man. But they wiping down their wheel. Okay. What is this? Okay. Okay. I ain't never seen no Ferrari like this. I ain't gonna lie. Not even in a video game, I ain't seen no Ferrari like that.
Got 4.5 hour drive.
Oh, you got him red-handed. You got the nuts in the back.
You realize most of the niggas that own these cars are old.
Yeah, old as
They're
hell.
old people.
Old ass nigga.
You try these cars, you don't want to get them when you're 50 and you can barely walk. You want these hoes when you're 26 and you can ride them. Hey, Viper.
Another Viper.
That's hard.
That's the third one I seen today.
The rally cars.
Oh yeah, that bitch hard.
The vet.
Aston Martin. They walked off in a party. Put up in an Aston Martin. That's a Supra? What's a Supra?
Right there. Right here.
Angel. Supra. Alright.
Dude. But they call it put.
What's a super?
Supra. You wanna know what a Supra is?
Not really.
Oh my god, what? You tripping? Damn. They be lit hell in real life. Super.
What did you say?
He has an AMG, you gotta understand.
Beamer. Oh, nice. What is this? I can't even tell. It's a Porsche. Oh, yeah. What the fuck is that?
You want to join our competition?
And then that Jeep from Jurassic Park?
Huh?
Toyota. You're right there, that yellow.
Yeah.
Jurassic Park.
That hard. Hey, look at DeLorean, Back to the Future.
Oh, wait, what the fuck? DMC. Oh my god. I bet it fly. It fly?
No, but do you know what that is?
Yeah, I know what it
It's
is.
stainless steel. And you know how the guy got the money to make this shit? Isolating kilos.
Damn.
Prison for cocaine.
Stainless steel?
Yeah, this car's stainless steel, dude.
I know.
Not mine. It's crazy, huh?
That was hard. What the fuck? Damn. It's a little. Yeah. Stainless steel though. Making all the noise.
Cruising and them niggas take the fuck off.
What is this?
That's green. Oh, this shit's cool. Military.
Land Cruiser. Yoda. They got a goddamn. Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop out that bitch.
5.0. Damn. That splitter right there, at least about 2 bands alone. The splitter on the bottom of that bit, about 2 bands alone. Oh, what's all this? Shoes. Okay. Nissan. Oh my God. That's Hurricane. Just walked off in the party. Put him in an Aston Marty. V12? Shit. Aston Marty. I want one of these cars.
That bitch true, fool.
What is this?
This is a goddamn Cobra.
Damn.
My kind of car. Yeah, it's a bad bitch, bro. That bitch take off on anybody. It's supercharged. I got a little whipple.
Yeah.
Look at the Batman car right here. Ooh, the Audi. Damn, this whole is dumb, bro.
That boy got Batmobiles.
What size is this? 22? Boy, you crazy.
Them bitches big.
30 at least.
They big though.
They're big.
Them bitches big hell. Them
Probably
probably just-
22. Look at these little. My rims. Your rims just hit puberty. That means they just reached
Beamer.
16.
Another Beamer. Oh, that bit a hatchback. What is it?
DDE.
Motherfucking Power Walker. Never Super.
Yeah, like you know the
That big donut. Look at that intake, boy. That big huge. Oh, that big pullin'. Oh, that big pullin'. Oh, this big pullin'. They over there screaming. That bit over there screaming. Another Super. Damn, hold on. Okay.
and an orange.
There's some shit over there, boy. Tesla on some cool shit. Another one. It's another one. This one made out of stainless steel too. Hold on, where's slick line? They probably only made out of stainless steel. What the fuck? That nigga slick cap. Yes, alright. Truck in the front. She didn't know my truck in the front. So they could put her bags on my engine.
720, 765. 765.
That's what I'm worried about. So I haven't pulled out my car.
Is it gated 6 feet?
06. Around town and shit, she Camaro. It's. It might be the thumbnail right here. It's. Oh shit! I see a cat.
All they're doing is follow the noise.
I see a cat.
Yeah. Look at the H. That bitch pretty as fuck.
Yeah.
Bitch, dog, this shit fucking crazy. I need my bike.
Need your bike?
I need my bike.
Yeah. think it is. It better not be what I think it is. I'm gonna go run him down and hop in. That better not be what I think it is. Hold on now. It look like what I think it is. I see the letters on the side of the whip. Hold on now. That better not be what I think it is.
I told you.
Bro. Y'all don't know, bro. Fuck the Mustang. If y'all don't know, bro, that's my dream car right now, bro. That's my dream car right now, bro. Oh my. That shit just made my day. It's in a track hole. You like DDG? DDG!